Mike Worley, service manager for the Auto Group. I have 33 years in the automotive industry. My impression of the ACE Lathe is the fact that it's faster, easier, and much better to set up. Plus you get a much better, I would say, more uniform cut, more adapted to that vehicle.
The ACE Lathe is really quick and efficient. It gets the job done. Overall, with the vehicle lookup with the tablet and auto compensate feature on the ACE Lathe, I'd say it's probably the easiest and fastest brake lathes that I've seen. Also, it doesn't require me to take everything apart, so in the end it helps me save time and make more money.
We service a lot of vehicles, anything from a Fiesta to a F550. A lot of fleet units. It's one of those situations where it will cut your time. My impression of the ACE Lathe is if you want a smoother cut, better cut, more professional, faster, and a non-comeback situation, buy the lathe.